Hello there and welcome back to our tutorials on LTSpice. So in the previous video I showed you how you could use the .step directive to let the simulation run multiple times for a list of values. Now in this video I want to show you how to do a linear sweep. The difference between the linear sweep and the list sweep that we did previously is that in the list sweep you have to explicitly state all the different values that you want it to simulate for, but in the linear sweep you just state a start value, a stop value, and an increment. And so it's going to start at a start value and it will increase it by increment and keep increasing by the increment value until the stop value is reached. And just as you can right click to edit anything in LTSpice, you can also right click on a directive to edit it. So if I right click here, you can see that this UI comes up, right? You can choose to edit it here directly, or you can also choose to use these drop down stuff to do them. So instead of a list here, what I can do is I'll just wipe this list and I'll say it has to simulate for 10k to 30k, incrementing by 5k in each step. And you can see that up here it has automatically updated what was in the drop down. Initially it was the list, but now it has seen that I want to do a linear sweep. Let's see the different types of sweeps that we can do. So there's an octave, there's a decade. I think decade stands for logarithmic sweep. These are all things we'll talk about as and when they become necessary, but armed with how to sweep linearly and how to sweep with a list, I think that will take you very far. It will take you very far as far as using LTSpice is concerned. So I'm going to click OK. And now you can see that it has changed from .step param r2 val 10k 30k, so starting from 10k to 30k, incrementing by 5k in each step. And I'm going to run here. So once I do this, you can see the steps in which it increased listed as the legend on the plot. So you can see that it started from 10k and then it's incremented by 5k. So the next one is 15k, and then 15 plus 5 is 20k, and then 20 plus 5 is 25k, and 25k plus 5 is 30k. So this is basically how you can achieve linear sweep using the .step directive in LTSpice. Thank you very much for watching this, and I will see you in the next video.